I am speaking on a panel of mothers talking about makeup and motherhood. So I don't really know where I fit in except for the fact that I am a mother and I do sometimes wear makeup. I feel so pretty. I'm a mummy. We should be doing the please let it all go well. Pump the fizz.
I'll put them on stage.
Are we dancing? Hello. Working together about 6 or 7 months ago.
Yeah.
And that you very kindly came along today to support me. Because you always support me. So this Beauty World event, it's been going for a few years. I think Mimi modelled, did hair on stage a few years ago. Have you been to this event before?
Last year, yes. I came here last year.
It's huge.
Today, the look that I wanted to create on Caroline, it's something still non-natural but classy. Caroline is not the type of person to wear full coverage makeup. However, she's going to be on stage, so basically her makeup would be more than what you usually have on her. I use more like a grey tone because I feel it's just highlighting amazing eyes, blue eyes that she has. And we keep on being classic for today.
The magician. Do you always fill in with a lip liner?
Always.
Always.
And the reason is I feel it really helps the lipstick to stay longer. So yeah, I would always feel like full lips with lip liner. Now, if I want to create an effect on the lip, then I would use a second lip liner and to make it maybe
fill it out. Does it make it look fatter if it's lighter?
Yes. This illusion. So I feel that the lip liner that I put on your lips might have been a bit too dark, but with this lipstick, it's just going to brighten it, and then you're going to look like much like fresher. And this goes, usually those kind of pink goes so well with grey.
Oh.
Yeah, it's very flattering.
What brand is it?
This is Makeup Forever.
Is it really? Makeup Forever. So what is that one called?
Rouge Artist Intense, number 54. Daily basis, if you put gloss, that will change your whole look.
That is very, very pretty.
Now I just want to clean a bit around your lips and your mouth, just to remove the extra. And I'm going to use as well some concealer that will help just to redefine your lips around. So I'm putting a bit of concealer on my brush and just going around.
I am wearing Sweaty Betty. It's a really interesting dress. It's just so easy. And I've got my trusty Laure jacket.
And Lisanne on my stomach.
Ready?
I'm ready. I don't know what's going to happen, but it'll happen. You're on film.
The only thing I'm going to be able to do is
Stage light.
Personified aging so gracefully.
Thank you.
What is your secret?
My secret, I think now, is that I feel more confident than ever, and I think that helps you shine. Yeah, thank you, Laure, for my makeup. She knows me, and I like to do a natural look for my makeup.
And as you age very gracefully, what has changed in your palette?
I think I've stayed natural all the way through. I try and move to the red lipstick every now and then, and I think it looks amazing on people, and I want to do it, and I try it, and then I back off it again, and then I give it a rest, and then I try it again, and then I back off again. But as far as beauty products go, definitely trying the aging creams, anything that comes on the market that I think is going to help, I'll try it. I am an advertiser's dream. Well, as I said, I'm an advertiser's dream, so I buy quite a lot of things, but I don't use them. So you probably find quite a lot of things in my makeup bag, but I don't actually get them out and use them. What do I use? A brow brush from Benefit, a MAC, a pearly thing, a brush, blush. I do sometimes. I have mascara. Yes, I use mascara. Tell me what I use. A little bit of lipstick. Blush I use occasionally because I feel that I'm all one colour. Try to always wear a hat these days, but used to suntan all the time. I've got a boy and a girl now, and they're 22 and 24.
Yeah. 22 and 24. Mashallah.